Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp keyboard shortcuts. So guys, now I will show you 3 number of shortcuts on keyboards. So for this, go to your WhatsApp. Now I will show you how to type code blocks. So for that, you have to type on this symbol, then write the message you want. Again you have to type this. Now I will show you bullet style. So guys, for that you have to type on this space. Now type anything. Now I will show you the numbering style. So for that, type 1 and full stop, space, enter, again enter. That's it. So guys, this is 3 types of shortcuts on your keyboard. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.